Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the global financial system, the evolution of money, and why cryptocurrencies are the future. In this video, I will provide you with an overview of the global financial system and the different financial institutions that make up this system. We'll also discuss the evolution of money and how it has changed over the years from coins made of precious metals to fiat money and beyond. Finally, we will delve into the benefits of cryptocurrencies and why they are becoming increasingly popular. So what is a financial system? A financial system is a set of institutions that enable the exchange of funds and currency. These institutions can include banks, insurance companies, and stock exchanges. They also consist of the rules and practices that borrowers and lenders use to determine economic deals, such as who gets to finance specific projects and which projects get funded. Financial systems exist on various scales, with the smallest being that of a particular company and the largest being the interconnected global financial system, which covers all financial institutions, borrowers, and lenders in the global economy. The global financial system is the framework of legal agreements, institutions, and formal and informal economic decision makers that dictate the intentional flows of financial capital or international flows of financial capital. The institutions involved in the decision-making end of this system include central banks, major private international banks, government treasuries, monetary authorities, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund. The global financial system comes with a lot of jargon and technical speak, but it all boils down to the one straightforward concept, which is ensuring the stability of the global economy. This is quite a lot of pressure on the institutions involved, as they are the sole decision makers and are responsible for the global economy. All it takes is for one divergent nation or crisis to shatter this delicate stability. Now let's talk about the evolution of money. Money has been a part of human history for at least 3,000 years. Its worth comes from its role as a medium of exchange, measurement, and store of wealth. However, the forms and use of money have varied widely over time and across different cultures. One of the earliest forms of money was the barter system, in which people exchange goods and services directly with one another. However, this system was inefficient and often impractical, particularly for transactions involving a large or valuable items. To solve this problem, people began to use precious metals like gold and silver as a medium of exchange. These metals were durable, scarce, and universally valued, making them ideal as a form of currency. Coins made from precious metals appeared first, replacing the previous barter system for trading goods and services. Paper currency replaced coins over time as it was more convenient. Early North America saw the first instances of a government issuing paper money because shipments from Europe and the colonies took so long that colonies frequently ran out of coins. Instead of going back to the barter system, they traded IOUs as a form of currency. In the beginning of paper currency, it could be traded at any time for precious metal coins at a bank. Fiat money eventually took its place as this standard came to an end in the 20th century. Fiat is the currency used by the government and must be accepted as payment. Fiat money is not backed by any commodity or physical assets such as gold or silver. The value of fiat money is derived from the faith and credit of the government that issues it. Most modern economies use fiat money, which central banks issue and commercial banks circulate. The only thing that supports fiat money is the issuing government's word and power. Money has continued to evolve in the fiat stage. With the rise of digital technology, the nature of money has continued to evolve as well. Today, most payments are made without exchanging physical currency. We now use plastic cards that point towards your money instead. Or we use digital payment platforms like PayPal and Venmo to transact virtually. So why are cryptocurrencies the future? More people than ever are finding fault with the world's centralized fiat financial system. It's perhaps best exemplified in Venezuela, where the country saw 1,370,001% inflation in its national currency in 2019. That kind of number spells out hyperinflation, in which economic circumstances send a currency value to nearly zero. The financial news cycle nearly flipped upside down in the wake of the GameStop short squeeze. And when retail trading platforms like Robinhood halted trading on the stock, it was gas on a figurative fire. Despite allying itself and affiliating with underdog traders, Robinhood is now the go-to example of how people have way less than 100% control of their money. However, as we've seen, the centralized nature of the global financial system has its flaws, such as inflation and lack of control over one's money. That's where cryptocurrencies come in, providing a decentralized and secure alternative to the traditional financial system. Cryptocurrency technology puts a stop to all of this at once. Blockchains are designed to securely transact value between two parties, whether they trust each other or not. Cryptocurrencies are the future as they provide a solution to a rising crisis in the global economy. Cryptocurrencies improve centralized financial systems with their decentralized nature and finite supply. By understanding the global financial system's inner workings and the evolution of money, you can make informed decisions about your finances and investments. I put together 2 courses that will deepen your understanding on how to use and make great profits in your digital finances using cryptocurrencies. The first is Cryptocurrency Trading and Investment Mastery, while the second is Decentralized Finance Investment and Profits. Follow the link in the description below to visit my website and access these courses at your earliest convenience. So, that's it for today's tutorial on global financial system, the evolution of money, and why cryptocurrencies are the future. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to get notified when I publish new content to stay up to date on all of my latest tutorials and videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video series.